That's perfect. Well, my name is Jay, and I'm going to be your presenter for today. And of course, I would like to welcome you here at our Birds of Prey show right here in Dubai Safari Park. All right, now, in a few minutes, birds will be flying all over the area. And of course, we would like everyone to have the best experience. But in order for us to do that, there are a few important safety reminders that we would like you to know and follow, okay? Now first, no food is allowed all throughout the show. Now our birds can be very curious, so they might come and share your food with you. And we don't want that to happen, right? Now second, avoid making unnecessary noises and movements such as whistling, calling the bird's attention, or even running around the area. And last but definitely not the least, is going to be for the parents. Please always make sure that your kids are seated all throughout the show. Now remember, we are dealing with dangerous birds, so this is for everyone's safety. Can we all agree on this? From Europe. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes our lesser spotted eagle. Now let's go. Everyone's waiting for you. Here he comes. Okay, now everybody, introducing to you right now, this is Hamdan, our lesser spotted eagle. You know, lesser spotted eagle, they're medium-sized birds of prey that may not be as big as the eagles that you will see later on in the show, but its hunting strategy and its character, without a doubt, make it privileged to be a true eagle. Well, they're strong and fearless birds which value their freedom. You know, birds like Hamdan, if you see them in the wild, well, they spend most of their time on trees. And all the activities and hunting are carried out during the morning, as these birds sleep at night. Well, lesser spotted eagle, they're one of the most common eagle species in Europe. However, they're now on the list of priority species for conservation, since their population has decreased in many European countries. Because you know what, for these birds, well, unfortunately, they reproduce very slowly. In fact, they can only produce 1 to 2 eggs per year. And only one of those eggs will make it until adulthood. And of course, if too many of them die, then their population will definitely suffer. Do you guys agree? Yes, you do? Let's give them Don a big hand. Come on, everybody. Okay, now, as I have said, Hamdan is a bird who's more active in the morning. Therefore, he is a diurnal bird. Now, this next one is a bird who's more active at night. A nocturnal one. What is it? An owl. Okay, well, let's see if you're right. Do we have an owl today? And I believe you guys are correct. Okay, everybody, this is Emir, our barn owl. You know, barn owls, they get their names because they're indeed nesting in barns, old shelters, or even abandoned houses. Why do you think so? Why do you think they prefer to be inside? Anyone? Any answers? Because it's darker inside. Okay, that's a good point. All right, well, aside from that, what color is Emir? White, that is correct. So imagine if he nests out. Like any other owls or brown, well, it would be very difficult for Emir right here to camouflage with his environment. Alright? Now as Emir flies one more time across the stage, I want you to listen very carefully if he will make any sound. There you go. Did you guys hear anything? Absolutely nothing, alright? Well, that is why these birds are called as the silent hunters of the night. You know what else? They have very specialized feathers that help muffle the sound when they fly. Well, this helps them stop their prey more easily. Okay, now this time we are going to bring out another species of owl, but it's going to be a bigger one. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome on stage our great owl Bush. Alright, how are you guys doing here, okay? All good? Okay, now, well, they have their facial discs. That is one of the main reasons why these birds have very good sense of hearing. Okay, now we all know that owls can rotate their heads really far back, right? Now, how many degrees do you think they can rotate their heads? Anyone? 360. Okay, wow, that's impressive. All right, any more answers? Aside from 360, 180. I heard 180. Who said that? All right, well, how about any other answers? 270. All right. Well, you know what, owls? They can rotate their heads for up to 200. All right, well, this is Hunter, our male sub-adult bald eagle. Now get your cameras ready, as I will try to call Hunter a little bit closer to you guys. Here he is, look at that. Okay, now can you see what he's doing right now? He was trying to cover the food with his wings, right? Yes? You know what that behavior is what we call mantling. Well, many birds of prey, including hawks and falcons, do that after a kill. Now, when these birds are eating on the ground, especially in open fields like this, of course the birds are more exposed. So, there you have it. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, do you see any difference between Hunter and Baldo? Do you see any difference? Anyone? The size, okay, well aside from the size, well Baldo right here has more white feathers on his head. Well that is because he's a more mature bald eagle. You know, when these birds are young, well they're color brown from head to toe. But when they turn around 3 to 4 years old, their head and their tail will turn completely. Okay, well, also considered as the United States national symbol. Well, that is because falcons, they have 8 times better eyesight than humans. That's why even though when they're flying 2 kilometers far from their prey, they can see them very clearly. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. How about a big... There she is, right on her nest. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this fish right in the middle of the pool, and let's see if Alice will be able to get this one. All right, you ready, Alice? Okay, now here she goes. And she got the fish. Look at that. Wait, did you guys see this? Did you guys see that?
Yes.
You did? All right. Well, you know what? That noise. is Medusa, our female. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as I've said, these are our griffin vultures. You know what, aside from the incredible survival and hunting strategies, birds of prey play a very vital role in our ecosystem. And it could be very destructive if they disappear. Now, without the scavengers, like the griffin vulture, not that one, alright, there you go. Like the griffin vulture, then the carcasses in the wild may start harboring viruses that no lives can bear. Now you see, even though they have a reputation of being bold, ugly, or filthy scavengers, the truth is, vultures make our world a much cleaner and a much safer place. And I think they should be appreciated for doing so. What do you guys think? Yeah? Of course, yes. Everybody, all the birds that you have seen today, well, they have very few natural predators.